going back to Les Schwab. Not because of anything they've done or didn't do. Randy, the mobile traveler, he's an RV guy that I've watched for about a year now. He has a travel trailer, and, well, had one. It burnt to the ground the other day. Guys had real bad luck. Anyway, it appeared that, I don't know what happened. I haven't heard. But it looked like the back of his trailer was burning before the front part of the trailer. So that worried me because I had problems with my wheel bearings on the truck, and it got so hot it did damage to the axle, and I had to have that replaced. So tomorrow I'm taking the TrailManor, and I'm going to Les Schwab, and I'm going to have them check the bearings and the lube or pack the bearings or whatever they do. So I've got an appointment for that at 10 or 11, and as soon as I'm done with that, I'll visit Joseph for a little bit, and then I'm taking off for Thermopolis, Wyoming. I don't know that I'll make it all the way because it's such a long drive, but I've talked with my cousin, and he knows I'm going to show up tomorrow, maybe the next day. So we're off to Thermopolis, Wyoming tomorrow, guys. Woohoo! Anyway, I'm going to eat my dinner because it smells really good. And I'll bring you back tomorrow. Toodles!
Turn right on South Atlantic Street.
Okay, I believe it's Saturday. I'm not sure the date. Still August, I think. I need a little calendar. But anyway, TrailManor's...
Turn right on South Highway 91, then take the first right.
TrailManor's closed up, and I am on my way to Les Schwab just to have them double check the brakes and bearings.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the second left.
Brakes, bearings, packing on the TrailManor, just to be safe. If I was just going to the lake or something here in town, I wouldn't worry too much about it. But anyway, so I'm on my way. Oh, they've got a farmer's market this morning. Oh well. Alright, I'll be back later. I think my GPS is lost.
Look like it'd been.
Are the brakes? Is that part of the brakes?
Yeah.
Are those okay? Are they...
Yeah, they look alright.
Okay.
But yeah, the bearing.
All right.
It looks like it's been a while because it's kind of crystallized.
Ooh, is that bad? Do they need to be replaced?
No.
I mean,
they should clean up. I'm gonna check them.
Okay. All right.
But,
thank you.
Yep.
Well, I'm glad I had him look at them. I don't know if you heard it or not, but he said they look a little crystallized. So I'm hoping. He said he'd try and clean them up. It kind of scares me because they told me the axle on the truck was crystallized. That's why they had to change the axle. So I don't understand all this stuff, but like I told him, I'm trying to learn. Ooh, those look nasty. Are they supposed to be that dirty? Ugh. And bent? Are those supposed to be bent? I don't know. When he comes back, I'll ask him. Crazy. Now I wish I had taken mechanics or something in high school. That would have been a good thing to do, huh? Alright, well, when he comes back, I'll let you know what he says. If I catch him out here. I barely caught him going in. Toodles. wanted to show you this little cutie. I see you. Little tease dog. Little tease dog. Come here. Go say hi. What's this one's name? Big one. Jax. You look like a Jax. Where's that little one? You gonna take a rest? Huh? You gonna take a rest? Oh. Can I videotape? It's for my YouTube channel. What's her name? Oh gosh, she's so cute. What a sweetie. The guard dog for Les Schwab. Well, he's putting it back together. Let's see what he says. Well, I'm assuming it's good news since you're putting it back together. Yay! Oh, goodness. So all you did was relube it and it's fine?
Mm-hmm. Put new seals in it.
Oh, you did? Okay, yeah, do whatever it needs. Hi. So they repacked the bearings. He said it probably would have made it to Maryland, but do it anyway. And it was $107 to have it all done, which is a whole lot cheaper than the alternative. So I feel better about that. It is 9:32 in the morning and I'm headed to Thermopolis, Wyoming. Hopefully, if the weather holds out. It still looks pretty bad out here. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna get on the highway. Toodles. I pulled off in this town. I'm not sure what the name of it is. And as I was getting gas, well, leaving from getting gas, I saw the side of the store I was at and thought it was pretty interesting. I'll let you hit the pause button to read it. Pretty interesting painting. Very nice. Look at the mountains in the background. Little brick building that says, I can't see what it says. Let's walk over there and see if I can get across the street without getting run over. Two-bit saloon grill and poker keno. Pretty cool. Anywho, all right, I'm getting back on the road. I'm headed to the 90, going to Montana, Wyoming. I just left. Well, I'm in Montana, but I'm leaving Montana. Okay, let's go. Oh, and gas was $2.69 a gallon. I feel like I'm not paying what I should because I'm used to paying California prices. And I've got the Gas Buddy card. So whenever I go to a gas station and they take the Gas Buddy, I even get more of a discount. So it's working out good. Oh, I'm in Whitehall. Let me show you. I just happened to look up and see the water thing up right. Where is it? Right there. Whitehall, Montana, I guess. Anywho, all right. I'm getting back on the road. Ciao.